Hi friends, in this video let us learn the access modifiers in Java. So when it comes to access modifier, they are of four types. So what is the four types is private, default, protected and public. So access modifier, what it does is it defines you the scope of be it a variable or a method or a class. So whether it is confined to that particular class or a package or inside the package, so all those things it demonstrates us. Let me show you this via an example. So see here, now I have a private, I am creating a private string name is equal to Krishna. So I am just trying to access this method in a separate class of the same package. So see here, demo.name of. So here what is happening is, see, it is showing me change the visibility or create a getter setter. So your getter setter would by default would be public. So now when I am just removing this private, my error would have gone because I am trying to access it from the same package. So when I am not specifying any modifier here, that would be my default. That modifier is called as default. But then I can access it within the same package. So demo.name of. So now what if I am trying to access this same, see, I am making this method as default. What if I am trying to access it the same method outside the package? So see here, I have created a method demo protected which is extending my private class, but see here it is showing me an error, change it to protected. So when you have an inheritance relationship, if it is a protected modifier you can access it, but when it is default you cannot access it because the scope of the default is only within the package. So now let us do same thing. Now let us change it to protected. See, so protected is it can be accessible inside the same package as well as outside the package through a inheritance relationship. So now my protected class is extending this, so my error is gone. And private is nothing but you don't want to give an explanation of public because it can be accessible across all the classes on the packages. So let me sum up. A private is only accessible within the class. A default is accessible within the package and not outside. A protected would be accessible inside the class as well as outside, provided it is a subclass of the main class. And public is accessible across all the packages. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.